बनारस केवल एक शहर नहीं, एक अनुभूति है और कुछ ऐसा ही अनुभव किया हमने इस सफ़र में। आइए आपको लेकर के चलते हैं ध्यान की एक जर्नी पर। हमारे साथ ध्यान में उतरिए और बनारस को अपने भीतर अनुभव करिए।
First of all, we'll start with Om chanting. With me, start doing the Om chanting and feel it that your energy, your Om sound is moving from your organs, from your sexual organs to your head. Feel that you're elevating your energy from your lower center to the upper center. We'll start the humming sound now. Just keep your eyes closed, and with this humming chant, feel that this humming sound, we are all becoming one with this sound. Through our hands, our energy is channelizing into each other, and we are not dual. We are part of one existence. We are part of one universe. We all are one together. When we start this sound, you will feel this sound is going through into all of us, and we are becoming one eternal energy. Start with me. Take deep, long breath. Inhale and exhale. Feel that you have become lighter. Your mind has stopped wandering and chatting. Everything has stopped. And your inner surface, your inner existence is becoming wider. You're expanding from inside. The dark light in front of you, with closed eyes, you are expanding from inside. This whole group is absorbed into you. You're expanding, your inner part is expanding. Witness from inside that your inner energy is spreading outside. You can keep your hands down and follow my instructions. Your inner energy is expanding. You are not just a body. There's something different from your body. Even if your body will not remain, but this thing you are, which you are experiencing right now, will remain forever. Just feel that all the sound is emerging in you. Everything is coming towards you and emerging in you. You're expanding beyond your limits. This whole Banaras is now into you. You're not limited to your body, but your energy is spreading across India. The whole Banaras is inside you. You can feel the limitlessness inside you. This Ganga is in you. This Banaras is in you. This India, this North India is in you. Now feel you're expanding all over the earth. This whole earth is inside you. There is no limit to you. There is no limit to your inner being. Just watch yourself expanding. This is a real being. This is what we came for. This is why we take this body, to experience this realm of divinity. Now watch yourself expanding throughout the universe. This whole universe is inside you. This whole world, this whole universe is inside you. Just like a river which is starting from an origin and will emerge into a delta. The same way we are going to emerge into this universe. Experience this now, before death. Experience your real being. Now for 5 minutes, I'm going to keep silence and dive deep into meditation. Enter into meditation for the next 5 minutes.